Welcome to Silver Creek Rentals, your go-to destination for hassle-free waste management solutions. We focus on providing efficient and reliable dumpster rental services to meet your needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project, managing construction debris, or simply decluttering your space, Silver Creek Rentals has the perfect dumpster for the job. We take pride in offering a seamless rental experience, ensuring your waste disposal is convenient and environmentally responsible. Contact us at 270-221-8600 for prompt and professional dumpster rental services. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you in selecting the right dumpster size for your project and scheduling timely drop-offs and pickups. Explore our offerings and learn more about our services at www.silvercreekrentals.com. Silver Creek Rentals is the trusted choice for a dumpster rental near me in Elkton, Kentucky, committed to making your waste disposal process as straightforward as possible. Let us handle the logistics while you focus on what matters most. At Silver Creek Rentals, we understand the importance of efficient waste management, and our services are tailored to make the process as stress-free as possible. Our range of dumpster sizes ensures you can choose the suitable container for your needs. We've covered you, from small-scale residential cleanouts to large-scale construction projects. Experience the convenience of expert dumpster rental services with Silver Creek Rentals, your partner in effective waste disposal near Elkton, Kentucky.